Former Sri Lankan fast bowler, Chaminda Vas called the national team captain, Babar Azam, as the #1 batsman in the world, and said that Babar Azam's participation in the Lankan Premier League will give young players an opportunity to learn a lot. Former Sri Lankan fast bowler, and bowling coach of Colombo Strikers, Chaminda Vas, while giving an interview to Indian media, said that Babar Azam apologised for the captaincy of Colombo Strikers, and preferred to play as a batsman instead of captaincy. Chaminda Vas said that we all know that Babar Azam is the #1 batsman in the world at the moment. The way Babar Azam has won matches is admirable. The bowling coach of Colombo Strikers said that having Babar Azam in the team will give the young guys an opportunity to learn. It should be noted that Babar Azam won the match against Colombo Strikers by playing an innings of 59 runs. Earlier Colombo striker captain, Naroshan Dakwila, also praised Babar Azam in the dressing room, saying that the wicket was not easy for batting, but Babar Azam did not give up and stood till the end, and gave the team a good total.